Dolphins are another highly intelligent species, known for using distinct whistles as names to identify each other. Some frogs, like the wood frog, can survive freezing temperatures by literally freezing solid during winter and thawing out alive in the spring. Hummingbirds are unique in the bird world as they are the only birds capable of flying backward, thanks to their specialized wing structure. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds and can imitate human speech. The African gray parrot, in particular, can learn and mimic hundreds of words, even understanding context. Owls have a fascinating ability to rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, thanks to extra vertebrae in their necks. Crows are also incredibly smart, with problem-solving skills comparable to a 7-year-old child. They can recognize human faces and even use tools to solve complex problems. Elephants are known for their deep emotions and strong memories. They mourn their dead and can recall lost herd members even after many years. Pigeons have also demonstrated remarkable intelligence, being able to recognize themselves in a mirror, a rare ability among animals. Flamingos, famous for their vibrant pink color, live in large social groups called a flamboyance, and their color comes from the crotoid pigments in their food. Lastly, cows form close social bonds and even have best friends. When separated from their favorite companions, they experience stress and anxiety. These fascinating facts highlight the intelligence, emotions, and unique abilities of animals and birds, proving that the natural world is full of surprises.